Good day, dear children. Today's theme is My Clothes and Things. I am Beknazarova Эльмира and I am an English teacher at the school number 117 after Тақырыбы. Today's learning objectives are: understand a range of short basic supported classroom instructions, make basic statements related to personal information, people and objects on familiar topics and classroom routines, use singular nouns, plural nouns, including some common irregular plural forms in giving simple descriptions. Now, today's new words: t-shirt, dress, shirt, coat, sweater, jeans, raincoat, skirt, hat. Now pupils, repeat after me the new words: t-shirt, dress, shirt, coat, sweater, jeans, raincoat, skirt, hat. Okay, now I'll introduce plural and singular forms of clothes words. Pupils look at the pictures and say, this is a cup. These are boots. Қазір сендерге зат есімнің жекеше және көпше түрін түсіндіремін. Суретке қараймыз және қайталаймыз. This is a cup. Мынау қалпақ. These are boots. Мынау аяқ киімдер. Singular form, жекеше түрі. This is a skirt. Мынау белдемше. It is a t-shirt. Мынау футболка. Plural form, көпше түрі. These are jeans. Мыналар джинсилар. They are shorts. Олар шортилар. I am wearing a cap. I am wearing a dress. I am wearing a coat. I am wearing a sweat. I am wearing a blouse. Бұлар жекеше түрі. I am wearing trousers. I am wearing trainers. I am wearing boots. I am wearing gloves. I am wearing jeans. Бұлар көпше түрі болып саналады. Now let's do the task. Look at the pictures. Divide clothes into two groups: plural nouns and singular nouns. Make up sentences and say. Суретке қараймыз және киімдерді екі топқа бөлеміз: жекеше және көпше туралы. Суретке қарап сөйлем құрастырамыз және айтамыз. Singular, жекеше түрі. It's a blue cup. Мынау көк қалпақ. Plural, көпше түрі. These are blue shorts. Мыналар көк шортилар. Now, let's do it yourself. Okay, now answer my question. What are you wearing today? And what color is your clothes? Сұраққа жауап берейік, балалар. Сен бүгін қандай киім киіп отырсың? Және киіміңнің түсі қандай? What are you wearing today? And what color is your clothes? Okay, your answer will be different. For example, I am wearing a dress. My dress is blue. Мен көк көйлек кигемін. Now, let's do exercise number 1. Write the name of clothes. First, shorts. Second, trousers. Third, dress. Fourth, t-shirt. Fifth, hat. Sixth, skirt. Write exercise number 1, the name of clothes. Okay, now exercise number 3. Listen and read. First, listen to me. Look, Nanny, I am wearing my new blue shorts. Look, Nanny, I am wearing my new red hat. I have holidays. Oh, no. Now, repeat after me. Look, Nanny, I am wearing my new blue shorts. Look, Nanny, I am wearing my new red hat. I have holidays. Oh, no. Okay, now let's write exercise. What these pupils are wearing. Суретке қарап, мына балалардың қандай киім киіп алғанын жазамыз. For example, I am wearing jeans. I am wearing boots. Do it yourself, please. Okay, now I'll give you homework to learn by heart the new words and exercise number 3 to read the text. Today's lesson is over. Goodbye, children.